Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rainbow Rising. Nothing more balancing and harmonizing than some me time. Sometimes friends, helpers, environment can absorb us entirely to the point that we forget ourselves. We forget to give ourselves some attention. I feel like no matter how valuable the connections and how amazing the adventure, it's really important to return to yourself and check in with yourself and give yourself a little bit of care in the sense of listening to yourself. Do I hear myself? Do I feel myself? Do I tune in with myself on a regular basis so that I always know how to be balanced? Strong personalities, without willing to, can throw us off balance, and these are the most magnetic. Maybe you are a strong personality and people sometimes have enough, not because there's something wrong with you, but because you are so powerful and you inspire so much that you make people's heads spin. When people like that meet, when two magnets meet, when many magnets meet, it's so incredibly exciting, intense, transformative, but can become very toxic if we don't check in with ourselves. Such a simple thing. I reminded myself, no matter how happy I am around other people, I always need that day to myself, the night to myself, the evening to meditate and to watch movies or sit in the bathtub, whatever that is that makes you feel yourself again fully. I'm not sure if I'm making sense to you, but I just want to say that it's very, very healthy for other connections and relationships in our lives to keep nourishing that connection with yourself. That's the epiphany of this morning. It's been very, very intense reset past 2 days. I think it's a new moon and we are getting out of some sort of retrograde, so we're moving forward, and I'm really, really hoping that you are moving forward with yourself. And what came across my mind today is that actually I've been rushing in my meditation. Can you imagine that? I was trying to meditate faster because I was so excited for the day to begin. Isn't that an oxymoron? Meditate faster, rush with tuning into yourself. So I noticed that and I started laughing at myself. Take it easy, breathe, and try to enjoy the moment and be your best companion, okay? Because there's moments when you will only have you.